Good evening, guys. It's your girl Stephanie. Yep, repping Cassie and Steffi. Okay, so I am making this voiceover tutorial to show you guys how I use the filter that you have been seeing in most of my recent pictures, not just mine, but Cassie as well. Yeah, so a lot of you have been asking how the filter came about, the app we use for it. So I am just going to be showing you guys how we do it step by step in this voiceover tutorial. But before I start, I would like to give a shout out to my girl Zainab, because she was the person who introduced it to me. So obviously I have to give her credit. So if you're watching this, thanks, babe. Yeah, okay, so first things first, the name of the app is Lightroom. I've actually had this app before, but the honest truth is I had no idea how to use it, so I kind of deleted it until my friend told me about it. So the first thing you want to do is to download Lightroom app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store, whichever phone you use. The first thing you want to do is to download Lightroom. Yeah, and as you can see, in this particular, like what you can see right now, it's Lightroom, and then you have other filtry, like other apps. One is filtry, one is presets, another one is presets, and another one is filter as well. Okay, so I would later get to explaining what that is about. So what Lightroom looks like is the second icon, which is showing LR. So that is what you should look out for downloading. Yeah, so Lightroom is actually very nice. It's wonderful, to be honest. Is the app most of our bloggers use to design their pictures to their taste. And the most beautiful thing about the app is that you can actually use it for your videos as well, not just pictures. So yep, that is by the way though. Anyways, so the particular filter that I have been using, Cassie and I have been using, the particular filter we've been using, it was sent to me by one of my friend. Yeah, so she sent it to me on WhatsApp, and it was like in form of a document. Do you get? So I am just going to go to my WhatsApp right now so that you can see. All right. Okay, so this is it. This is it right here. This forwarded, you can see here, 2.7 MB, favorito by noybanes.dng. So this is it. Yeah, this is what she sent to me. So just in case you are watching this tutorial video and you also want this filter, just slide into my DM so that I will just forward it to you. Okay, it's as simple as that. Also, I don't know, I'm contemplating on whether or not I should post this video on YouTube so that, you know, it can help people. So just in case you are coming from YouTube and you don't know how to get this document, I am probably going to upload it. I'm probably going to upload it somewhere and drop the link down below so that you can download it, or you can just comment in the comment section and I would find a way to get the documents to you. Yeah, so when I should forward you this filter, what you want to do is you want to click this share button right here at the top right part of the screen. So you want to click it. Yeah, and you're going to see all the various apps in which you can share it on, but what you're looking for is Lightroom. So you want to click the Lightroom. Yeah, then you want to press launch Lightroom now. So this is what it looks like. We couldn't see it in WhatsApp, but it opened in Lightroom. So this is what it looks like. This is the filter itself. Do you get? So what I'm doing right now is I am pressing the picture. Sorry, I am tapping the picture. As I tap it, it shows you like what the normal picture looked like before this filter was added. Can you see? So this is what the normal picture looks like, and whoever edited it and invented this filter did a good job, because now like everybody wants to use this filter. So what you now want to do is you want to click on these three buttons still at the top right of the screen. You want to click on it, and then you want to press copy settings. Then you want to press the good sign still at the top right of the screen. Yeah, so it's saying setting copied to clipboard, so that means you have copied it. Okay, yeah, so that means you have copied it. So after copying it, you want to go back. Sorry, I have most of my edited pictures right here. So what you now want to do is you want to add an image. You can see add an image just here, right here. So you press add an image. I'm really sorry for the background noise. So you can press from camera roll, and all you just need to do is to pick a normal picture, an ordinary picture that you can just edit. And in my case, I am going to be going with, hold on. In my case, I am going to, actually you can pick more than one pictures. You can actually pick more than one pictures. You just want to carry the pictures from your camera roll to Lightroom, so that whenever you want to edit it, you can just easily edit it. Okay, so let me pick this. Okay, so something happened right now. This picture I picked, I have already edited it. So what just happened was that it showed me it being edited. This is what the picture looked like normally, but it's only showing you guys this because I'm tapping the screen. If I remove it, it's going to show, but I need to show you guys from the basics. So I'm going to go back and pick a picture that I haven't edited before. Really sorry for the long process. I really want you guys to get this. All right, so I am looking for a picture that I haven't edited before, and it has to be a cute one at that, because if this video is going to be on YouTube, it has to be a cute picture. Hold on, give me a second. I can actually even use this picture of my dogs. All right, let me use this. Okay, sorry, I am just going to increase the brightness because I feel my phone is kind of really dark. Okay, so yep, I think this is better. All right, so these are my dogs, Kane and Coco. All right, so I'm just going to, I have added this picture to my Lightroom app, but I want to click on the sign at the top right part of the screen, to mark it good. So the picture was just added. So what I want to do, don't forget that we copied something. So I am going to click on this picture, press this 3 button at the top right part of the screen, and click on paste settings. Don't forget we already copied the settings from that very first picture. So now we are going to paste it here. And this is what it gave me. I think this picture would have been better if it was on a person rather than an animal. Anyways, so it's as simple as that. Yeah, so as you can see, I have more than one filter or more than one preset. For Lightroom, they call them presets. Presets are the same thing as filter. It's just they're like more designed. Do you get, like, you can, like, I don't know how I'm going to explain this, but presets is almost the same thing as filters. They are just more, let me just say, more dope. Do you get? So you can see at the beginning of this place, I have about 5 photos, and each and every one of them is writing DNG on them. DNG. So all of them that are writing DNG, they are actually filters on my Lightroom app already. So I can use whichever one that I want to. This right here is a filter. This is a filter. Sorry, you guys cannot see it well because I disconnected my phone from internet. The notifications were disturbing me, but all you need to know is that these are filters. Do you get? Now let me go back to the app that I told you guys I'll come back to. So these apps, the ones that are surrounding Lightroom app on its own, they are basically just different apps in which you can get nice filters from. But the funny thing is, there are some filters that are for free, then there are some that are for sale. Most of the very touch beautiful ones are for sale, so you have to actually buy them if you want them. Do you get? So just in case you watch this video and you need a recommendation site or app as to where to get filters from, you can DM me and I'm going to tell you. You can actually get presets, beautiful nice presets. Yeah, so this Filtree is an app that you can go to get nice filters that you can share to your Lightroom and use it to edit your pictures. Like I said, presets are just like filters. The only thing is they've already been designed like to what the person who created them, they've already been designed to what that person wanted, to that person's taste. So what you're just going to be doing basically is to carry what that person designed for himself and pasting it on your own picture. Do you get? So all these apps, they are apps that you can use to get presets or filters for yourself. But when you open them, you'll notice that some of them are free and some of them are actually like you actually have to pay for them. Yeah, so that's basically just what I wanted to let you guys know. So that's it on the tutorial on how to use Lightroom. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want this video to go on YouTube. If you do, I would gladly post it there. But in the meantime, I'm just going to post it on my story, my WhatsApp story, so that you guys can watch it and learn. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Mwah. Cassie says hello, by the way.